what the devil just happened with the West Indies in the T20 series against England. Ball out for 45 in under 12 overs, and then ball out again for 71 in 13 overs. So in 2 consecutive T20 internationals, West Indies cannot bat out the 20. And we hear it's not the full T20 team and Ray and Tay. Well, really now, how many players missing? Andre Russell, Evan Lewis, who else? Really and truly, the West Indies batsmen gone right back into West Indies mode, showing a conspicuous inability to think and play situational cricket. It's like them overconfident from the test and ODI performances, and it get to them head. Every man come out and I try and last the ball. And they were out. And it happened in one game. And it come happen in the next game. Remember now, the West Indies are still defending World T20 champions. Anyway, probably is a good thing to cut them back down to size. Make them realize, say no corner no turn yet. But still, these performances were so disappointing after they did so well in the Test and ODI series. People start feel good and start dream and start hope and start believe again. Well, may I tell you, this West Indies team coming like a big cow who give you a big bucket of milk and then kick it over.